Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are right here at Peng Joon's studio, Smobble, and we will have a quick tour around the one and only Peng Joon's studio. Let's go. Here we go. So, this is behind the scenes to the studio. So over here, we wanted to make it multiple screens so that we can see all of the different participants.
Oh my God, I saw
Each
my
different
friend.
screen. Really?
Yeah.
So we're having lunch now. So everybody has got their videos turned off. But the reason why we have 12 screens here is because each screen can fit 25 participants. So normally if you have a bigger crowd, then we can fit everybody over here. This is what the participants are seeing right now, which is nothing much because it is the lunch break. This reminds me of our Zoom meeting every day because we just use one monitor for everyone, so we need to like go left or right to see everyone. And how they do it is like they have so many laptops right here, if you can see, and every laptop is for every monitor there. So this board is where I do most of the teaching. I'm not even sure what brand this board is, but it's a great board because it kind of is a smart board. Okay, so it's linked to, I don't know what the technical stuff is, but like whatever I write, they can actually see it very clearly. So over here, this is the backdrop where we will be switched, where we can see all the different participants as well. And that's kind of like the main set. So this is Peng Joon's award and his favorite, Iron Man. So as you guys know, Peng Joon is a big fan of Iron Man, and he's a big fan of LV, Louis Vuitton. And these are all the fancy lighting, 3 camera angles over here, and then the behind the scenes. So this is like the tech stuff that is required in order to run the event. This here is supposed to be a life-size Iron Man that has not yet arrived, but that's the purpose of this place. And then this flip chart, which we hardly use, and then green screens, as well as this wall, which we also never used before. We are really happy to be here today, and we are really glad to know Peng Joon and YIING.
Yeah.
Both of them really inspire us a lot. I like to see how they see things. This is what really...
I think it opened up our mind to think things differently. A lot of times it's just all about the perspective on how you look at things. I think for both of them, they really inspired us that, you know, there is a lot of things that you should really explore yourself to, you should really learn, and you can always be better.
So we try to wear LV outfits today because we know Peng Joon likes Louis Vuitton, and I'm wearing the LV Nego jacket, which in my opinion, I love how Nego and Virgil work on this jacket with the Eclipse monogram and the Damier graphic, and it matched really well with black tee. And for Tzia, this is her favorite LV bag that he used.
Almost every day.
Like every day.
thank you for watching my YouTube video again. Thank you for supporting me since day one. This is our 11th video. Wow, it's like a journey. And if you like my video, remember to subscribe, share to your friend, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And now we are going for the next appointment. Time for hustle. See you guys again next week. Bye.